You have to go in at an angle. Do you put it in an angle?
I'm not at liberty to answer that question.
Did you angle it? How many times have you angled?
Like Kurt Angle, like the wrestler.
Can you angle to the side or like what do you do? Like is it
the angle of the bangle?
The angle.
it's too?
So what's your favorite angles? Like complimentary, supplementary?
You like
Right angle.
right angle, 90 degrees,
90 degrees.
180 degrees,
Obtuse,
fucking
acute.
So cute. You're so cute, Daddy.
Do you believe in angles?
You believe in miracles?
I believe in angles.
I believe in miracles.
Okay,
I believe in
then.
miracles.
Do you believe in miracles, Jordan?
Why are you repeating everything I say?
No, do you believe in miracles? I'm asking you first.
Yes.
You believe in cool.